You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I let.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ulele Bandaza, I hope you guys are doing well. I am currently in December. Hey guys, and vlog kakhle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kamanam Nunguzimkita for those who are new up. Welcome to a new vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much guys for your love, your support. Guys, nintwele man. Nintwele. Yo, sana beka man challenging. So guys, ooh, look at me. I asked my husband, is all about man and he was like, nope. And go to the salon girl or something. I was like, no, the fresh start. The fresh, like in the bed, the poor, like whoosh, man. So guys, Timlo, umakabonga, welcome. Nalibele kabon. Thank you so much, Betunango. Go tandolwenu man. Yay, guys, man. And there's nine going nintwele. Kisama kesana ndizothengela uvonqo into zakhe zesikolo, stationery. I should have done later last vlog, but nope. And I'm trying to go Friday, so on okay. Let me just do it. Then I'm to the school and drop in those. So yeah, guys, I have a list, but it's not a lot. I just want these notes. They want answer lists. They want i-typex, ama-paper, i-crayons, i-printers, i-2, i-scare, i-file, wipes, toilet papers, Dettol, sanitizer, Vaseline. Uthugwaya wencwadi. Yeah. And ubonqokesana, oh uyathanda ukubhala. Oh, uyathanda ukubhala. Uzoba excited. Nami nibe senikwe homework. Guys, ndizichabe ngokwami ke sana. Yabo? Nje papa bendinayo. This is my hairline. I can't. Ndizichabe ngokwami. So andiyazi apha back how ndichabe njani, ne? But ke for now ngizothwala icaps. Then ke ngoku xa ndisendlini then show my husband uba ndenze njani na. Then ke ngoku mhlawumbi ndiphinde ndichabe kakuhle back because andikwazi andizibonanga. So ndizobe ndithwala icaps for now. But sana ndifuna uhamba ngenqayi. Like ndifuna uhamba ngenqayi. What do you mean? Ndimhle kanje? Ndimhle kanje? Clock it. Ndisenhle? I don't wanna lie. Ndimhle shem. If uthanda imhlanga, uyaxoka di. Uyaxoka di. Ndimhle ukufa sis. Yo andisenhle. Ndiyoyika. So guys, yeah, we're tuna. Let's go and buy into Gavon and then I don't know what's going to the vlog, but we're just vlogging because Galok siya vlogger. So we're just vlogging. There's no need because it's special for us to vlog. But yeah. I have so much plans, man, for my channel. Guys, like. Yeah, but I know we're 20,000 views and stuff, and people don't want to subscribe. I don't know, but okay, for those that are subscribing, they want to be tuna. Oh, sana. Masamen guys, I didn't take a cool accessories. And from my app, I'm gonna go and fetch a bandwana. Sana. And go home because look, I think it's past 11. Yeah, I'm gonna go fetch a bandwan and go home. And I'm not cooking namhlanje, so yeah, sonk, rations and eggs, something like that. Oh, I'm so lazy to go back to the gym, guys. Like it's not like the lazy anyway, but yabala ndo ngabe na outfit ezinhle for i-gym. Yanibora son, yanibora. But okay, yeah, maybe I'll go back to the gym. Masamen guys, yeah, we are hot. I don't know if should I vlog inside shop right kanye phone yami ikhale zigcwele. But still ngiyathetha kakhulu. Guys. Oh, for my channel this year, guys, I wanna do ndiyatanda ubukela cleaning vlogs abantu. So I wanna do cleaning vlogs, how home tontoni ngithenga izinto, lungisa bedroom. And last year basic journey lokubuilda ikitchen, like cabinets, but ekhaya yenzeke lonto. But this year funeke yenzekile because I bought last year sink, I bought a stove, you guys know most. But for ababasha, you must know guys, by into zami zihleli nje. So I need kwakuthatha nequotation capacity. Son, life just happened. But it's fine, mate. Uthixo soloko ebeka ixesha for anything and everything. But this year, oh, what's happening, guys?
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see
deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun, shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe. I am secure. There is no dark.
Guys, let's go and fetch the kids. I found son because of a hairline. Oh, Unjan. Up and up. Alala. Engage. Maybe we'll learn. Guys, let's go. So I'm gonna be late. Get cheese. Whoa, extend guys, bendisabantwana sana esikolweni. And hey, driving will show you flames, my dear. Driving will show you flames in my life. And yes, accessories. Yaba ngokubili inqayi akubili le ntoze bekubila kubili inqayi then kubili intloko then kunuka inwele sana bili inqayi then uyosula asameni guys. So yeah guys, a little update about the bedroom yam. Kulanto ndithi bana this year I wanna change izinto. So this is the bed, headboard, and then lena side table is now B1 and le incinga kwa beb. And then that side you kind of have a side table because la wardrobe ivoleka phaya yabo. So yeah. And then different guys, I want to paint Jongani Donga. Look at this mold, yonkele, a mold. And then we have Lenda Molishapa for plugs. Chongbum tag. And then Avuna you cover Donga. And then we are Pala Yonke Njolondo sana. Look at this. You are Aston. That's bad. So I will paint. And I was thinking of a picture up. The picture into it to entry. And then being new bedding, yeah. And decided to make me cool. That's why in the bigger ganj. Yeah. And then Len and Lindy could color and the bigger picture, but because le lentos covers up yellow ragland yellow lento nje but yellow yabo alendi beka pie front. So yeah guys, I need a new bedding. I need all kinds of paint. Yeah, we do have a paint already, a painter. Then we need a picture piano, and then the new bedding. Yeah, we have a wardrobe this side, and then where's the pedestals gavon. Yeah, and the room is not that big guys. I can't go like John.
akho space singakho, but I need into ezininzi. Yabo uba upeyintiwe, then ibe bright again, then put a picture this side, then apha akho nto sinoyibeka because akunovuleka, then be new bedding. Alright, but I don't know banzopeyinta nini, clear vlog or when. Yeah, so yeah guys, we have a lot of work to do this year, obviously. Oh, alimtakidonga sana i-winter ayisho ngeke. So yeah guys, and ngoku ngase ndingafumani bedding e-white, but ke i-headboard it's not ayikhanya yabo, i-dark, ingasekho ndlule ngento eyikhanyayo yabo, because if ndidlula ngento e-dark koba dark, I don't know wethu. So yeah guys, also guys, I am thinking of putting a mirror up yabo. Eza mirrors are nice sana, they're round like ish yabo, and then buy a lamp yalapha yabo, buy a lamp yaphaya. I don't know ingathi nida ntoni room, but nida something wethu. Buy a lamp yaphana and then put a mirror there, then maybe a picture up, then I don't know, I think because I can't go and then yabo, and andifuni ibe too much, but ngoku i-blur like inje i-right, but ayikho right, you know, funa ibe at least. Yeah guys, ndicebiseni. Yeah, but I think ebesinayo imirror enkulu efront, but I think la mirror ikhona la mirror. I don't know, I do not know. Guys, awunikwe i-homework ukukharalisha apha lo mntu, there's i-crayon abakunike yona esikolweni. Why?
Yes, it's very beautiful. I love it.
No, andithenganga mafutha, ndithenge i-roll-ups. Why bekunika le crayon esikolweni?
They tell me cry orange.
No, don't lie. Umntu wakho uzoba orange wonke ke ngoku. They gave Avule crayon, so I have to borrow crayons because kuba crayon laa mntu, but ke ubamnika orange. Njani?
John Mackay.
Njani nyani? Crayon shake. Uqala nganto? Uqala nganto?
Up there.
Vest, okay. Color in.
Mom, good.
Ink.
Thank you, Mommy. I'm gonna get an 8. Soon I can.
And then what is this?
You land on the very
Underwear.
Yes.
Okay. Color in alone.
Okay. Oh, it looks good. Good. It's not good.
Unjani umlenze wakho?
Umlenze wami. Mamba ndinxibe ibhluke kaloku naye ufuna kunxiba ibhluke mna ndijona.
Avo, this is an underwear. Means lo muntu akanxibanga kaloku apha.
Okay.
Crayon njani umlenze wakhe?
Andiyazi.
Unjani wakho umlenze?
Alright.
What color is your leg?
Brown. Oh look.
Try to brown up.
Green.
No brown.
Yellow. Red.
Copy. I don't just as colors in Jan. Jonga brown though, but yellow. So use this one.
Okay.
Ewe kaloku esikolweni sakho bathatha i-crayons ukugqiba kunika orange because lo mntu wakho ngeyo-orange wonke. Color in.
Red.
Benjani esikoleni? How?
Good. Good, good.
Benjani?
School.
Hmm.
Do.
Ay, hlala kakuhle.
Esikoleni Chomi. Siyenza umisu ubeke ipeni yabo ezinye abanafali abanye abantwana ngoku thina sinefali sifuna sixelele umamethu sibhale umntu
Abanye banafayile.
abanye kaloku
Why?
ayiyazi.
Happy Valentine. Hey guys, today it is Monday. I am currently going to the gym. And for no gym, I thought I should let you guys know band the gym. So yeah, I will see you there guys. I'm done with Monday. So gym my 5 days, Monday to Friday. Yeah. So yeah guys, let's go to the gym. And then after gym I think I'm gonna go to a CTM buy Itals.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Yeah, thank you. Hey guys, Dalan Boyle from the gym. I just changed top and tight to Yezinto, and then been to edit, and then the abonwa
le vlog seyifike 25 minutes. I don't want to lentos ukhupha ivlog ezinde because abantu abazigqiba ivlogs. So if you nyani, I'm closing it up. Thank you so much for watching the tuna. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Focus subscribe. Please do subscribe. It is completely free of charge. They won't ask you a penny. Just press subscribe. So yeah, guys, a little update. I didn't go to a CTM. I went to a brides bendiyo jonga, ne? And then when I brides, okay, that's bonital, that's for man is the similar question as because you wanna finish up, isn't it? So yeah, and then I got because we do have a box, like as new towels coin, but for finish up. So yeah, I bought, then I think I need landers at 85. That should be enough. And then the weekend I will wait for my husband so that he paint. I can't do it alone. He paint, and then we'll take it from there. But when I go just a little, then go see paint because I don't know what to go on. But the lambs of Agitas should be here on Wednesday. Yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Yeah. Monday kusho